welcome back. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. I do appreciate you being here. I wish you would consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming a part of our YouTube family. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys know I love you. But as you can see, we have a brand new subscription, you guys. And when I say brand new, I don't just mean to our channel, I mean brand new. This is their first box. They are a brand new subscription. I am so excited. I do want to say thank you very much. They did send this to me to review and share with you guys, so I am very honored for that. And it's actually called WITPYUM. It's WITPYUM, which stands for, let me find it, because I've got it all written down, which stands for, where'd it go? What is to prevent you, us, me, what is to prevent you, us, me is the WITPYUM from bringing back the magic. So I'm going to tell you all about the subscription, and we're going to dive in and see what it's about. It is a seasonal subscription. They actually have 3 different plans. They have the Just You plan that is $23.99 plus shipping. They have the Just Me plan that is $29.99 plus shipping. And then they have the You Plus Me, the YUM subscription that is $49.99 plus shipping. And that is the one that I have here. I will put a link to their website down below. And I do have a promo code, which is Thanks Southern Mom, which I will also put down below. That will get you free shipping. But it's WITPYUM, but it's also the Magic of the Season box. So, like I said, this is a brand new subscription. This is their very first box. And it says, let the Magic of the Season box be a catalyst for you in your mission of spreading everyday magic through the act of caring for others and yourself with a community of like-minded people, practicing compassion, generosity, self-love, anything is possible. So they say each quarter we will curate a thoughtful combination of lifestyle goods with a theme highlighting the best of each season. Each product is selected to fit one of the 5 focus areas of the WITPYUM mission: you, youth, us, unity, and me. Now, you can prepay for a year subscription for the You Plus Me box for $190, and that would be free shipping. So it's over $35 in savings, and you get a free bonus gift box, member incentives, and exclusive offers. So that is awesome. And then the types of products you can expect to receive in here could include things like lifestyle essentials, beauty products, self-care items, delicious snacks, wellness products, and artisan handmade goods. So this is, again, the Fall 2019 WITPYUM Magic of the Season box. Again, this is quarterly. And the box that I have is the You Plus Me, the YUM, and it is $49.99 plus shipping. So thank you again to WITPYUM for sending this to me. I greatly appreciate it. I can't wait to see what is in here. So okay, I smell something that smells amazing, but y'all, keep in mind, okay, before I even show you just this, keep in mind, again, this is their very first box, okay? Very first box. Look at that. We have some fall leaves. You guys, this, like, presentation for their first box, like, I don't even want to open it. Like, they have the tissue paper folded all nice and everything. All right. And then Magic of the Season, Autumn 2019, WITPYUM.com. Look at the card. Isn't the card gorgeous? And then on the back, it does tell us everything that is in the box, which is great. And it says, Unity Challenge, gift a sunshine box. October 4th, which is today, is World Smile Day. It is a day in the promotion of goodwill, generosity, and acts of kindness. Thanks to the good folks at World Smile Day, you are now an official ambassador. What should an ambassador do? Simply spread the message and make someone smile. In the spirit of World Smile Day, we would like to challenge you to create a sunshine box. Gift it to a loved one, a stranger, or anyone who could use a smile. For inspiration and to see our sunshine boxes, visit WITPYUM.com. To get you started, we have included your ambassador sticker and a few to pass along, seed paper smiley faces, sunshine greeting cards, our greeting card, and it says, don't forget to reuse the box and tissue paper. Oh, that's awesome. It says, for more info on the products and the brands, please visit WITPYUM.com. So if there's anything in here that interests you, you could go directly to WITPYUM.com and find out more about it. But I don't even want to open it because even still, it's still tied up with twine and has a cute little leaf there. All right. Oh, it's two little leaves. Oh, they're like, that is so cute. That is adorable. All right. There's some more leaves. We'll sprinkle these somewhere. All right, so right here on top, we have a card. This is the Unity Challenge. So we have the two little smiley face seed. What do they call these? Seed paper smiley faces. These actually have seeds in them, so you can plant them and grow something. And then we have our stickers for World Smile Day right there. And then we also have a card. Hello, sunshine. Someone wants to make you smile. That is so cute. And then you can write on the back. So you can stick that in here. That is nice. You can give back to somebody. All right. And then we still have more leaves. So cute. All right, so the first thing I see is sunflower scratch made soap. Where's it at? Sunflower scratch made soap by a wild soap bar. So that's that right there. That's very pretty. Oh, that smells really good. Take a wash on the wild side. The Haynes family has been carefully perfecting their original recipes featuring wild botanicals since 1995. That's experience you can trust, quality you can count on, so go ahead and take a wash on the wild side. Use daily on face and body. Enjoy. It does smell really good. So we got that soap. Love that. It's so pretty. All right, and then, ooh, y'all, looks like we got some goodies. We got some, yum, what is it? These are caramels. So, okay, so it looks like we have two, maybe that are regular caramels right here. Yum. And then two that maybe are like a salted chocolate caramel. Yum. Original Caramels and OMG Caramels by Mouth Party. So yeah, these must be the original and these must be the OMG, which is what I was thinking. So let's see, what are you? Pumpkin Spice Lip Balm by B. Bella. Handcrafted lip balm. And it is pumpkin spice. It is cruelty free, which is great. I love, and it's like wooden. It's like a wooden package. Let's see if I can, oh, it says peel right here. Read the instructions, Nikki. It says it's handmade. All right, so there we have that off, and then you can see where it says pumpkin spice right there. And it's pumpkin spice. Yes, it is. I love that. That is so different. All right, and then what are you? Happy Girl Granola, maple walnut chocolate granola. Oh, yum. Maple walnut chocolate granola by Happy Girl Granola. That sounds amazing. Something about like maple and just, I don't know, that's definitely a fall flavor to me. And then we have the pumpkin spice, and then we have caramel and all these leaves. So far, I'm definitely, I'm like getting fall vibes all over. We've got more leaves. All right, and then we have this is the youth item. Color Leaves Wristlet by Buttonsmith. Oh, that is pretty. See like the different colored leaves there? And it's orange on the inside. That is really pretty. So from my understanding, the youth item, this is actually made by, and it supports youth projects. So that is fantastic. That's the one thing, this box gives back so much. And I love that. All right. And then the you item, you fill in the love. Why I'm Grateful for You by Me. Oh, okay. So let's see. Let's take the plastic off. Fill in the Love Journal by Knock Knock. So let's see. So you could like, you fill this out and you give it to somebody. Number 3, I'm grateful that you always make me feel blank even when blank. Number 7, the way you say blank always makes me laugh. And then this is kind of show you guys what it looks like. Number 16, I'm eternally grateful for every time you blank. Number 23, I'm grateful that we both enjoy blank so much. And it goes, let's see, how many? Oh, the very back says, I'm so grateful for you. And then, okay, so it's 50. I'm so blank you came into my life. So there's 50 different things. So you could fill this out and send it to somebody. That is amazing. I really like that. All right. And we have There's some more leaves. What's this say? We encourage you to use the leaves, postcard, and twine in your fall decor. Well, I definitely will be using the leaves for sure. All right, so then, do we have 2 candles? We have 2 candles. Apple cider donut. It's a soy candle, wooden wick. And then this is the same company. Vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. 2-ounce soy candle, wooden wick. Oh, y'all, both of these sound, oh my gosh. Okay. Apple cider donut. I love wooden wick candles. You see? Oh my goodness. If that's not fall, I don't know what is. So this is the vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my gosh. That is getting lit in like 2 minutes. When I'm done with this video, this one is getting lit. Vanilla pumpkin. Oh my gosh. Okay. There's still 1 item left, you guys. Wow. Okay. And this is the Us item, reusable cotton produce bags by Happy Vic. Well, that's awesome. Let's see. That way you don't have to use like the plastic bags. Oh, they have different sizes. Okay, so can you guys see right here? So there's like, you have the smaller one here, then like a medium and a large. So there's different sizes. That is awesome. And they're drawstring, so you can seal up your produce. That's amazing. I love this. I love this box. Okay, so awesome reusable produce bags. This amazing smelling handmade soap. That just smells so good. This so unique pumpkin spice lip balm. This adorable keychain or lanyard. This maple walnut chocolate granola. Yeah. This I think is amazing. The I'm Grateful For book that you can fill out and send to someone. You guys, these 2 candles, oh my gosh. Like, y'all just don't, oh goodness. The caramels. We got all kinds of leaves that we can sprinkle around for decoration. And then the envelope here with the little seed smiley faces, the stickers, and the postcard to send to someone to brighten up their day. I think this was amazing. And you guys, I honestly have to say this definitely, out of all of the seasonal boxes I have gotten, is definitely the most fall focused fall box yet. What do you guys think? I think this is fantastic. I love this so much. We got some yummy treats. We got some soap. We got lip balm. We got 2 amazing candles. We got the reusable produce bags, which anything to save and help the environment, I am game. The cute little leaves to sprinkle around. And then again, this book. I love it. I love it so much. Let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.